And here we are going to learn how we can configure the OSPF. So what I will do, I will go in the global configuration mode, then I will write router OSPF and press question mark, so you can define the process ID. You can give 1 or till 65535, any number you can give. This is a locally significant, so I will use any number here, so I will use 1. After that you can use the network command or you can use the interface method. If you want to use the network command, write network and you need to write the network ID. Example, I want to assign this interface. If I want to enable the OSPF under this interface, then you need to write the network ID of this interface. So if I write 192.168.12.0, then you need to write the wildcard mask. This is a class C, so class C subnet mask, that is the opposite of subnet mask, is a wildcard mask. So write 0.0.0.255, then give space, write area, and in which area you want to advertise. So I will write area 0. This way, let me check what error we have here. Area spelling is wrong, so I will write area 0, and you can see this way we will advertise the OSPF. So I put only one interface in the OSPF, that is the F0/0. If you want to check which interface are in the OSPF, you can write show IP. Let me write show IP interface, show IP OSPF interface brief. With this one you can check I have only one interface, that is a fast Ethernet 0/0 in OSPF by using area 0. So this way you can put in the OSPF. You can activate the OSPF under this interface. So now let me do another configuration. I have one more, that is interface loopback 0. If you see, this is a loopback 0. So what I will do, I will enable the OSPF under this interface by using interface method. So how we will do, we will write IP OSPF 1, whatever the process ID we use, and then area 0. So I am using area 0, so I will give this one. So now what I done OSPF configuration by using two methods. One method, first method, I use the network command to advertise this network, this one, and the second one I use the interface method to advertise this interface, that is a loopback 0. Now if you want to check, you can write show IP OSPF interface brief, and you can see now you have two interface in the OSPF, that is loopback 0 and fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, only one side we configure the OSPF, other side, that is R2, we did not configure, so you will not have the neighbor. If I write show IP OSPF neighbor, you will not get anything. So in this video what we learn here how we can enable the OSPF. I shown you two methods. You can use the network command method or you can use the interface method. In the real scenario, I am using most of the time interface method only. In many organizations also they are using interface method only. We are not using network command, but depend company to company, the engineer to engineer, but I saw most of the time we are using only interface method to enable the OSPF. Okay, if you want, let me enable the OSPF in another interface also. Let me take the CLI of the R2 and let me enable here also. So if you see here, this is a R2. I will go here in the global configuration mode. I will write router OSPF. Here I will give 2. This is a locally significant. Process ID is locally significant. You can give anything you wish. After that I will write interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Then I will write here IP OSPF to area 0. Okay, and if I want to enable in the loopback, I don't know I have loopback in this router or not. Yeah, we have one loopback. So if I want to enable, I will go under that interface loopback 0. I will write here IP OSPF to area 0. Okay, this way let me give the space here, area 0. So this way also we can enable the OSPF by using interface method. So now I done the OSPF configuration both the side. If you want to check, you can write show IP route. You will get the route from the OSPF. This is the route from the OSPF. If you see, this is the route getting from the OSPF. Okay, so I hope you understand. Actually I want to make a small video, but I think this become lengthy, not less than 1 minute, but anyhow no problem. You learn so many things in this video. It is difficult to explain in short video. So anyhow, later we will try to make a short video for this concept also. I hope you understand how to enable the OSPF by using interface and network command. Thank you. Bye.